Don't tell the reasons, show me the result. If you want to say the reasons, we can say so many reasons. But reasons are not important.
Yes.
Finally, what do we want? Result. Whether there is a result or not. That's very important. But reasons, we can say reasons until we go to burial ground.
Yes.
Okay, when we are fail in anything, in any situation or something, first what do we say? We would start telling reasons. One day I want to tell you an important point, because I should mention this point in this situation. One day someone asked me about me. The question was, why didn't you achieve it? Why didn't you do that? Why couldn't you do that? I told him so many reasons. He said only one sentence, that don't tell the reasons. Okay, show me the result.
Yes.
Don't tell the reasons, show me the result. If you want to say the reasons, we can say so many reasons. But reasons are not important.
Yes.
Finally, what do we want? Result. Whether there is a result or not. That's very important. But reasons, we can say reasons until we go to burial ground.
Yes.
Okay, when we are fail in anything, in any situation or something, first what do we say? We would start telling reasons, showing so many reasons. That's why I am fail. We say finally. So we say this. We say until we go to burial ground. That's why that person told me, don't say the reasons. Show me the result. Yeah. So we should understand that even we achieve or not, whether we are really interested or not. First of all,
Yes.
we should understand it, understand ourselves. Whether we are really interested or not. First of all, we have to find it ourselves. Then we can achieve it. I observed this on my journey. When I observed myself, it is confirmed that I am really interested, or just I would image in my mind. That's all. Then it is confirmed sometimes. Sometimes it is confirmed that I didn't do work hard. Sometimes I wasted a lot of time. Then I found it was my mistake, and I realized, okay, we have to practice more. I need more practice. Then only I can speak English. I can't allot time for spoken English. Why I am telling this? Many people, we, including me, we don't work hard, but we feel that we are hard workers.
There are many English institutes. They are announcing spoken English in 30 days, spoken English in 21 days.
Okay.
Is it possible? Not. I think it's a language. It's not possible within 31 days, 21 days, 7 days. If anyone wants to learn English from basic level, 31 days is not enough for the.
We should not say first. We should not say to the students and beginners that it is very difficult, it will take a long time. They won't join. Okay, that's why they announce, first they announce it, you can learn it within 30 days, 30 days or 1 month. They learn it. So some people would join and practice. After 30 days, some people realize it. Some people would realize that it is not a short time process, it's a long time process. A few people realize. The remaining people will drop out. That's the thing. In case if they say, yeah, carry on.
After getting a admission, they will realize what is real.
Yes.
30 days, 21 days are draft.
Okay, in 21 days course or 30 days course, we can learn something, 2 or 3 points, something we can learn something during the course. But the thing is, at the same time, we understand that it's not a short-time process. It's a long-time process. It will take time. We should understand that. In case that's the thing. They say, in case if they announce it, okay, it will take a long time process. They won't join. No admissions. That's why they say you can learn it within 30 days.
We should have more patience.
No, it's a common thing in every field. First, you say to your junior, we have a junior, you say to your junior, you would say to your junior, okay, this is very easy, don't worry, you can learn it within 1 day. Actually, no, it would take 10 days, but because you want to encourage him, that's why you would say, don't worry, you can learn it 2 days. After 2 days, he would realize that, okay, it will take 1 week or 2 days, 1 week or 3 days. In the first, if you say to him first time, it would take 10 days, he will be, he won't try for that. He will drop, it is very difficult.
I have a question.
We have to encourage them until they understand by themselves.
Yes. I have a question. Many students say English is important.
English is?
I think English is not important, but English is a better medium to contact other people.
Yes. We should learn it, that's all.
Yes.
Because we have to talk, we have to communicate in English sometimes. We don't know when it comes.
What is your opinion about English? Is it necessary or not?
Yeah. Some people think that it is necessary. But really, those who work in software field, okay, go abroad and some other field, definitely it is necessary for them. Maybe 35% or 45% people are there. It is compulsory for them. Okay. The remaining people who are working construction field, cultivating, farmers, other people, they need not to learn it. they can communicate their mother language. Now the problem is in every state, English is dominating their mother language now at present.
Yeah, we should not forget our mother language.
Definitely, those who need English, definitely they will learn it.
Yes.
Okay, we should not implement English medium or English language completely in our state, because we have our culture, we have our mother language.
Yes, yes. It is
At the same
optional.
time, we save our mother language.
No.
That's why we should, those who need, okay, definitely learn it, no doubt at all. Those who may need means employs some other people. But we can't say that all the people should talk only in English. That would be completely wrong, because we have our mother language, our culture. But the point is, here the problem is, for example, we have to learn any language from our childhood. We should keep on talking the language which we want to learn, or else we can't get it.
Yes.
Okay, here we communicate in our mother language from morning to evening. How can we learn it?
Yes.
At the same time, we have to practice in our childhood, like our mother language. Then only we can talk in English. But here the problem is English is dominating mother language, or else they don't practice in their childhood like our mother language. After degree, after engineering, after BTech, they can't speak English, because they don't have practice in 10th class or degree. So problem is, we should communicate only in our mother language, or else there is another problem. What? It is because our mother tongue would be gone one day, disappeared.
Now we have 2 minutes.
Now where is the solution? Now solution.
Yes. Our conclusion is, if we want to grow our career, then we should speak English. We should learn English.
Then only we can save our mother language, at the same time English.
We can learn English, no problem.
Yes.
English is important for our career, and
Yes.
and our mother language is like mother for us.
Yes. Definitely after PG, after degree, definitely they will learn it.
Yes.
If they need it, definitely they will learn it, no doubt at all. But in childhood, it would be implemented in lower classes in their childhood, so they can't speak their mother language properly.
Yes.
Save mother language.
Yes.
Yeah.
We have to save our mother language.
At the same time, whenever we can't speak in our mother language, then our culture would be also spoiled.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah. So that's why we should save our mother language, at the same time learn this language.
Yes, no problem.
That's it. After degree, I think, on my opinion, it's not good implementing English in lower classes. If you want to save our mother language,
yes,
there is no option. Now there are some students who are studying in convent. They can't write Telugu properly. They can't speak Telugu properly. Now at present, some political leaders, there are some political leaders, their sons studied in English medium schools.
yes,
From childhood to years. now they can't speak Telugu properly. They can't make a speech in Telugu on the stage properly.
Yes.
So now they practice their mother language now. Definitely, they should make a speech in the public in mother language only. They studied in English medium. That's why sometimes they can't express their ideas, thoughts, feelings completely in their mother language.
Yes.
So people can't receive it. Say people don't know English. They can't receive it. That's why they practice it.
Now we will talk on tomorrow if possible.
Okay. In the evening.